Hello, third graders. It's me, Mr. Dr. Professor Sweet, and we are here in week 5, and we are still on perimeter. So to get us started, I know this is just review because last week Mr. Sweet did a really good job of teaching you guys that perimeter is the outside of the shape. And I wanted to do this video outside because perimeter is outside. Okay, so this week, the real challenge of it is we are going to find the perimeter of a shape where we only know one or two sides of the shape. Here's a hint though, while you're doing your work. The side that's given, if it's only one side, that means the other sides of the shape are going to be the same length that is given. Alright, we're not trying to trick you here. So, like on lesson 14 problem set, if I look at this triangle over here, and I see that it's only got the 7-foot landmark there, right? That means one side is 7 foot, but all three sides is 7 foot. Okay? Alright, now let's jump back here. So I'm looking at actually problem number 2 all the way down at the bottom, and it says label the missing side lengths of the rectangle below, then find the perimeter of this rectangle. Alright, again, they're not trying to trick you. Okay? If we look at this shape, we know that there's 2 centimeters over here and 7 centimeters down here. That means that up here, there has to be 7 centimeters, and off to the side, it has to be 2 centimeters because this side length and this side length are the same, and these two are the same. Now, to solve the problem, we just add it up. Alright, so we're going to add up here. We're going to go 2 plus 2 plus 7 plus 7, and we get 4 plus 14, and that equals 18. So the perimeter, or P, equals 18 centimeters. Simple enough. All right, that's our example for our problem set. Okay, let's jump to this back side here, and it says, I'm looking at number 4. This is my example for the back side. Paige paints an 8-inch by 9-inch picture for her mom's birthday. What is the total length of wood that Paige needs to make a frame for the picture? Okay, so again, we're only given 2 side lengths. Given 2 side lengths, which means that we have to draw ourselves a picture and take a look at what they might be asking us. So it's a picture frame. I'm going to draw a nice little picture frame, and I know that one side length is 8 inches and the other one is 9 inches. Now, here's a little trick I want to teach you. Because we know the 2 side lengths, we can add up 9 plus 9 and 8 plus 8. Easy peasy, right? Or we can do this right here. P equals, let's see, this is L and this is W. P equals 2L plus 2W, or 2 times 9 and plus 2 times 8. So if I do 2 times 9, I know that's 18. And 2 times 8 is 16. And then 18 plus 16, if I do that math, I'm going to go up here. I get 8 plus 6 is 14, carry 34. So P equals 34 inches. If I were to write that in word form, I would say Paige needs 34 inches of wood. That was a big old wind right there. All right, that'll do for my 2 examples for the problem set 14. Let's take a look now at this practice sheet, the quadrilateral perimeter of quadrilaterals. Okay, and I'm only going to do one example, and that's number 7. Okay, number 7, or actually, hold on, pause. Number 8. Number 8 asks us if the side of a square measures 4 inches, determine the perimeter of the square. Okay? So if I drew a square and I know that one side length is 13 inches. And that's all I know. I could go 13 inches, 13 inches, and then I could add them all up. Or, because there's 4 sides at 13 inches apiece, I could go P equals 4 times 13. Alright, and I know this might be a little bit advanced, but if we do 4 times 13, we do 13 times 4, we'll set it up this way. 4 times 3 is 12, drop the 2, carry the 1. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 plus 110 is 5. And we get 52. P equals 52 inches. So your square would have a perimeter of 52 inches. I hope that makes sense. Please enjoy your weekend. It's going to be a long one. It's going to be a hot one. We might get a little wet. But I know that you guys will enjoy the adventure. Have a great time. Bye.